Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by gathering essentials, your 25-character product key and the Microsoft account tied to Office. Make sure Internet is on, Windows Update is current, and system date/time is correct because activation talks to Microsoft servers. Once done, right-click an Office app and choose Run as administrator to avoid permission blocks. You'll see the activation wizard automatically. Sign in with the account or enter the key. This first step connects your license to the device and prevents common initial rejections. If activation failed, you troubleshoot methodically. You should run the activation troubleshooter in Windows settings under Update and Security. It often corrects license state mismatches. Next, open Control Panel or Settings to repair Office. Try Quick Repair first, and if that fails, use Online Repair to re-register components. Make sure to temporarily disable any firewall, VPN, or proxy that could block activation traffic. Then retry signing in or key entry. These steps resolve corrupted files or network blockers, preventing validation. To finish, sign out of Office and the Microsoft account, then sign back in to refresh license tokens. This often flips activation to active. If issues persist, use command tools like slmgr. VBS for Windows license checks, or follow Office's phone activation to get an activation ID from Microsoft. Those methods bypass web validation. Make sure to back up your product key before advanced steps. If all else fails, contact Microsoft support and provide the activation ID. They can manually enable.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.